Hey all, you asked for informal, and this is about as informal as it's going to get. I'm Steve Chandler, and along with David Sanso, we formed a company called Sandler Scientific back in 2019. Dave's a medical device engineer, and I'm an ENT surgeon. I've been practicing otolaryngology and done thousands of sinus operations over the last 20 years, practicing here in Montgomery, Alabama. So I have a question for you. Have you ever tried doing a sinus rinse? Was it a pleasant experience for you? Or did it cause you to choke or gag? Did it make your ears feel full? Well, if this happened to you, you're certainly not alone. This was happening to many of my post-operative surgical patients, and it was affecting their post-op outcome. So I decided to try and find a better way, a solution to this problem that seemed to plague the patients. They just were reluctant to use it, even though they knew it was the right thing to do. I needed to create a device that people would actually like to use, something that they might even look forward to using because it didn't gag or choke them. So Dave studied the physics, and I studied the physiology. And during the process, we created many prototypes, so many that my clinic looked like a crazy uncle's basement. In the end, though, our patient-endorsed, clinically proven solution is Complete Rinse. And it's a really fantastic product. It works great. The best compliment an inventor can get is for someone to say, "Why didn't I think of that?" And that's something that I've heard many of my colleagues say in the ENT profession. The patients really love this particular product, and it's just one of those types of products. But we didn't stop there, really, because this is a highly competitive, multi-billion-dollar consumer market segment. And if there's one thing you don't want to learn the hard way, it's to protect your assets. So, with COVID impacting my clinical practice at the time, I learned how to write patents, I learned how to prosecute trademark applications, and we strongly feel that our intellectual property brings value to this company. Complete Rinse was introduced in May of 2020, initially using Amazon as the platform. Since that time, we've had a steady increase in product sales, with about 2,500 or so, most of which have been over the last few months. Also, because Complete Rinse improves patient compliance with use, it's been adopted for use in several clinical trials, investigating advances in the treatment of sinus disease and recovery of COVID-related loss of smell. We think we have a great product that can provide relief to millions suffering with sinus-nasal disease and allergy symptoms. What's more important is that the patients that use it love it. In order to compete in this market, what we need is an effective product awareness campaign. And this is where the financial support from Alabama LaunchPad will be largely used. We've created a great product, established a manufacturing solution, distribution network, and digital marketing plan. What we really need now is the fuel to launch it. Thank you so much for listening. We're available for questions or comments, and have a great day. Thanks.